In this video, I'm reviewing Tinuity's latest report on digital advertising. Here are the 4 key findings that matter for search marketers. I'll focus on search advertising, but you can read the full report to learn other types of online advertising. Hi, I'm Andrei with Adi Marketing, where we help e-commerce brands grow with Google Ads. Let's go. Let's talk about the top 5 competitors in Google Shopping. When selling products on Google Shopping, you'll mainly compete with 5 big retailers: Amazon, Walmart, Temu, Target, and eBay. These companies are frequently leading in impression share. To succeed, you need to focus on what makes your business special. Think about this. Why should customers buy from you instead of these big stores? Make sure your ads clearly show what makes your products or service better or different. This could be things like better customer service, unique products, or special features that the big stores don't offer. Next, we'll discuss the rising trend of PMax non-shopping ads. Google's Performance Max ads are showing a notable increase in non-shopping ads formats for retail advertisers. This shift makes it essential to monitor your channel placement reports to track where your ads appear. As you may know, non-shopping ads typically perform lower than shopping ads. Tools like Mike Rowe's PMax Insights report help you track where your PMax ads appear. Knowing where your ads show up lets you optimize performance by focusing on the most effective channels. Next, we'll discuss improving placement quality for PMax ads. There's good news about where PMax ads are appearing. Google is now showing these ads more often on its own high-quality sites like Google Search and YouTube, and less on third-party websites in a display network. This is a positive change for advertisers because Google's own sites typically perform better and reach more valuable audiences. Next, let's look at how PMax shows lower conversion rates than shopping campaigns. Despite these benefits, however, PMax has shown a decline in conversion rate compared to standard Google Shopping campaigns. This performance dip is a primary reason why some advertisers are returning to standard shopping campaigns, prioritizing those channels with the highest conversion rates. I use a mix of PMax and shopping campaigns when managing accounts for my e-commerce clients. Both PMax and shopping campaigns can be incredibly effective, but you need a solid plan to maximize your results. So I've created a handy resource with 9 proven campaign planning ideas. Download it now using the link in the description. But every business is unique, and these ideas may not work for you. If you need help with planning or optimizing your Google Ads account, reach out and I'd be happy to connect and see how I can help improve your ads. Here we are, we've covered 4 notable recent trends in PMax and shopping campaigns. My name is Andrei, thanks for watching and have a great day.